So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video on this 10-inch Ryobi chainsaw. Now what I need is I have a Vermeer 625 brush chipper. And oftentimes as I'm done cutting stuff to put in the brush chipper, I get a Y crotch on the wood and the thing won't feed. And if I have to keep restarting my chainsaw just to get it to feed, to cut a little piece off and get it to feed, that's a pain in the neck. So to make it faster, I used to just leave my little chainsaw idling nearby, but that's kind of wasteful. So maybe this battery operated one would be just the thing for me. This one runs off the existing system I have, which is 18 volt. They also make 40 volt, which have way more power if you're going to actually be cutting trees. Mine is going to be more for the way I cut wood is as follows. If it's bigger than 6 inches, it's getting saved as a log. If it's smaller than 6 inches, it's getting chipped into chips. So this will be just a tool that I can have there. Just trigger start. I got this one because it has the automatic oiler. It's brushless. If you get the HP, that means high performance. It's brushless technology. And this is the only one in this size that has the automatic oiler. You put your oil in there. Otherwise, you got a pump oiler. You're not going to do it. Come on, let's face it. So I paid a little more for that. This says it has a 3-year warranty, which sounds fair to me. Should be pretty simple. Looks like it comes fully assembled. Excuse me. Excuse me again. Oh, here's the oiler here. It comes ready to run, basically. Like I said, I bought it tool only. If you don't have the battery and charger, you can get them. You can get batteries in 2 amp hour all the way up, I think, to 8. Right away, things I like. This has a bit of a pinching motion on the bar. It doesn't come with a case, of course, but excuse me again. It does stay put. If you put it in the back of a truck or something, it'd probably stay on there. This does have a chain brake, which I don't know that it has the amount of chain speed that would ever throw it, but I guess we'll see shortly. This one has the side adjuster for the chain tension, 1 nut and 1 adjuster. It's got steel felling spikes, and I'm pretty sure, yeah, it's got the onboard tools. So you do have the tool you need to do that and to tension it. Comes with the blade. Looks like it's properly tensioned and facing the correct way. Good. I guess let's get a battery and see if she'll cut. For the test we're going to run, I'm going to run a 4 amp hour battery on it. And I'm at 2 bars out of 4. And I forgot to put chain oil in. And I just got some bar and chain oil, put that in there. It does not come with it. Nice. Just to get you an idea of how big that was, there's my palm. My palm covers it, so it's, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4 inches. So far, this tool looks superior for what I need it for. So something like this is a perfect example of what wouldn't go through my chipper. Of course, it's only a 6-inch brush chipper. It's not a whole tree chipper like the $100,000 municipal operation we're running here. So this is exactly the kind of thing that wouldn't go. So if I cut it like there, that piece could probably feed by itself, and that piece could probably feed by itself, but maybe not even all these. So you know, a lot of times I'll cut them right there, and it'll feed much nicer. So I think this saw is going to be perfect for that. Yeah, that makes short work of a pile real quick. It's just what I was looking for. Quick review. Uh, Chain gets loose pretty quick, but it's got the tool on board, so it shouldn't get away from you. Went through no bars, still 2 bars on my battery, and I did 2 stalks that big, so that was probably about 20 cuts total. Feels good. It's got the chain brake, which I like just in case you had an emergency. I don't think that chain really spins fast enough to really throw it, but I suppose in the right situation, somebody could get a hold of somebody. The bar is good. I found replacement aftermarket chains that are cheaper than the ones that it comes with. I'll put a link in the description below. And if I could find that chainsaw on Amazon, I will put a link for that. But I know the chains I can get. Always good idea to keep another couple chains just in case somebody put a little screw through the, hang a bird feeder or something, and you just hit it and the metal dulls that blade in a half a second. You could probably get quite a few cuts out of that if it didn't hit anything. But also dirt, no good if you hit dirt. Anyway, as far as the review, tool feels good. Come out of the box fully assembled, which I do appreciate, and I think you will too. So far, no troubles. If I have any troubles, I'll revise this video, but other than that, I consider that tool Wildwood certified. Thanks for watching. Watching the video is enough for me. A like and comment would be great, but if you'd like to support the channel in an even greater way, you can go down to the bottom. There's a heart with the $sign in it. Super thanks. If you'd like to give me any monetary donations, it would go towards making videos and all the tools that I use. This is bought with my own money. There's no deals on the side with them giving me free stuff or anything like that. It's something I needed and I wanted to buy it. And why not share the goods and the bads with you? So if you appreciate that kind of thing, if you want to throw me a few bucks, only if you have the means, please. I'm doing fine, but I do appreciate a few bucks here and there if you had it. Thank you very much.